Tribute to the great ninja man. Gold teeth, front teeth, ninja man. Tribute to the great ninja man. None of them not bad like the Dan Gaga. So big up ninja man. The tribute when I do to you, my king. I want you get your freedom. I want the people them take up this in and start to protest for your freedom.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop you. You unstoppable, so now we are trained.
So I go on again, Unstoppable family. So people, remember me telling you for what day, say Ninja Man have the rhythm when name Happy Virus. I come a road. Well, me I create the buzz around it and I make whole heap of people talk about the rhythm because the rhythm just that bad, the rhythm just that hot, the rhythm I go on with a whole heap of things and it give me back that real authentic feel there of dancehall. Well, now the rhythm done release in a UK already. It no release all over the world yet, you know, but the rhythm done release in the UK and people, it create a storm. Well, what me decide for do, me give you a taste of Zulu already, right? Yeah. Tribute to the great ninja man. Yeah, Zulu did that one day. And yo, Zulu song on the rhythm are one of the baddest. One of the baddest. Now, what me decide for do? Me decide for have a reasoning with the artists them when Ninja Man feature on the rhythm. Because there's some bad artists Ninja Man a feature, you know. So me decide for have a one-on-one reasoning with each artist for the song them. Zine and Zulu is the first man when me reason with. So me get into some questions and ask Zulu, yo, why you come up with the song when him tribute to the great ninja man? Where you even come up from with that concept there? See? So make we jump in now and hear why Zulu come up with this concept, tribute to the great ninja man. Zulu, what you have to say?
Ninja me ninja. Tribute to the great ninja man. Gold teeth, front teeth, ninja man. Tribute to the great ninja man. None of them no bad like the Dan Gagan. A insane Shabba super cat of foreign land. Bust them pants thing in front of everyone. Yo, let me tell you something. Unstoppable. Let me tell you something. You see Ninja Man? Ninja Man is one of, if not the greatest artist who take up a mic and go up on stage, the talkaphone and go up on stage and go toast and chat and show lyrics. One of the greatest, if not the greatest, that make lyrics on stage. Every DJ today right now, the top artists them up at top, every DJ to the right, we tell you say, Ninja Man of them father, Ninja Man them father, the whole of them pattern Ninja Man. Enough of them thief him style, them want to use him style now and don't even know if he use it. Yeah? So when me get the chance to put my 2 cents on Ninja Man rhythm through him family, me I tell you right now, me jump on it. And one thing come to my head is a tribute to the great man. Most of the artists them will get all these allocades and all these things with them accolades and all them things with them get and put on them dressing table and look on and say, yeah, me get all these gangs and all these things. Enough of them will get Grammy and all these things. Enough of them will get everything out there. Me no hear them and say nothing about Ninja Man. So, me rate Ninja Man over the whole of them. Me name Zulu Warrior. ZULUWARRIJAH. The J is silent. Zulu Warrior. Here's Savannah. Big up Thompson Town. Clarendon. Wandan. Ninja Man. The Dan Gagan. You see me? So what I say is when Ninja Man was free, before him reach where him dead now, Ninja Man used to go at every school, every morning, everybody I look up on YouTube for a video from Ninja Man. Because I tell you some things and I wake up to certain things. Ninja Man used to go to the school, them go tell the school youth them to keep themselves on the positive route. Ninja Man used to go at the police federation and make big speech at police federation when police they need somebody to talk to the youth them out there on the street. So how comes we no put him where him dead now? How comes them never think? How comes they never think and say, you know, this man is of good use? You know, need we go put him down in our Kobe wall there, so. You understand? We need to give him a chance to come out, come unleash the strength of where society out there so right now a ball and say them afraid and scared that the crime are going on the street. A man like Ninja Man, them words was potent to any youth out the street. You see me? Because remember, you know, the word, you know, them say it was the word, and then here comes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, don't. It was the word, and then it was the earth, because everything was a dark void. You see me? So from darkness come forth light, don't. So, Ninja man, big up yourself, my boss. More respect, more honor. You understand what I say? Me mean honor. You see me? And right now, Ninja Man for free. So any artist who believe in Ninja Man, who in the power with Ninja Man, you could have been a man or woman. You want to should have search out Ninja Man people them right now and get on yourself under rhythm there. And talk, want to feel, for happen, for bring the Gargana street. You understand what I say? If you don't really believe in him as a friend when you was there with him, standing on stage with him, screaming for him, a time for you to get up now and say, give the man a chance. You see me? Give the man a chance. Give the man a chance to come deal with things. We can have a man like Ninja Man. Which part him there right now? We not believe in that. Ninja Man, we say freedom is a must. Freedom is a must, my yo. Big up on yourself. Unstoppable to the world. Unstoppable. Big up. Free Ninja Man. Zulu.
Yeah, me did like the reasoning there with Zulu. The man touched upon a whole heap of points. And the reason why the man do the tribute to Ninja Man make a whole lot of sense, because we all know Ninja Man is a legend in the business already. Ninja Man paved the road. Ninja Man paved the way. Ninja Man set trends in a dance hall and just open up a lot of doors for several entertainers in the business. So, me agree with Zulu on everything what him say, especially free Ninja Man. Zane, yo, watch out now. So, on the topic of Zulu, the man have a tune right now, people, when name Chymaica. Yo, you hear the name Chymaica. Now, let me break it down for you. You don't know what say Jamaica not really owned by Jamaicans anymore, right? Because everywhere you turn, a Chinese shop, yes, so Chinese shop, this so. And yo, Jamaicans basically so start wear Chinese clothes. Well, no so start wear, them already are wear Chinese made clothes already. Zine? So, Zulu talk about that tune here, and in that song here, the man talk about a whole heap of things. The man basically say, yo, Jamaica not even name Jamaica anymore. It named Chymaica. Zine, me I go make you hear this song. You know what? Make we listen to it together. Hold on. Hear this now. We are going to listen to this together. I want you to tell me what you think about Zulu tune. The name Chymaica. Alright. Let's do this, because I feel like that song you're going to love it. Make we listen. Play.
I want you to sick, you know. Mr. Wong.
Mr. Chum, what's up?
We got a new name.
What's the name?
Chymaica. Chymaica. Gonna give me back me gold and green. Chymaica. Them wipe out the jam so clean. Chymaica. Gonna give me back me gold and green. Chymaica. OMG, no black panicine. Chymaica time, 19:30. In a me Chymaica shirt and Chymaica jeans. Chymaica shoes, look how me look clean. You know, in a Chymaica, your arms smell green. Chymaica dance with a Chymaica team. Use me Chymaica phone. Light up the scene, wave it high to the sky like a laser beam. Welcome to Chymaica. We have the beam.
Hold on. On the ear where Zulu say a while ago, the man say, give me back me gold and green. OMG, no black on the scene. Basically, the man say, yo, everywhere you turn, I be a Chinese, you see. No black people. Well, we know say black people, they are Jamaica, see them here still. But it's like Chinese definitely take over. The man say, Chinese shirt, Chinese pants, Chinese shoes, even the phone are Chinese. What we own a Jamaica? Nothing. You understand what I say? But the man I say, yo, if you're not rock Chinese clothes, then your arms smell green. Zulu, you see yo? Make me listen back some more.
Chymaica. Gonna give me back me gold and green. Chymaica. Them wipe out the jam so clean. Chymaica. Gonna give me back me gold and green. Chymaica. OMG, no black panicine. So big up Mr. Mr. Chin, big up Mr. Chang, big up Mr. Youngs and big up Azan. Me can't big them up and no big up Tezan. Yardman who, me a Chymaican. The whole of we together united as one. Whether you live a town or country bunkan. Help me kill crime and fix the nation. No get up and move to me Chymaica.
Yo! Hey, me I tell you no it's true. Me not tell you lie. With a song like this, yo, uno don't lie. It have a vibes though. It's like it just make you want dance. Chymaica, Chymaica. Uno give me back me gold and green. Yo, me can just imagine this a boss in a dance. Well, when the place open up, but that is. Me can just imagine this a mash up all a dance. You see what me I say? And everybody else a run down the flank and a bust a big bad dance. The man say all Chinese dance. I gotta run dance all. Chymaica the thing name. It bad. Zulu, where you find that one here? Jano.
Chymaica, Chymaica. Uno give me back me gold and green. Chymaica, Chymaica. Them wipe out the jam so clean. Chymaica, Chymaica. Uno give me back me gold and green. Chymaica, Chymaica. OMG, no black on the scene. Think a joke me a make. Look round you know. And them make the road and the toll road too. And them own the big store, them round your so. The pharmacy plaza and every depot. If me want to walk, down there me a go. So big up every Chinese Zulu love you know. If you hear me sing a play on the radio, just sing along cause I see him so he go.
Yo, hey, don't tell no lie. The man chorus sketchy. Me know say right now when I listen and you know done, it don't register now no brain already. You know I sing along and depend. Chymaica, Chymaica. Cause yo, at things like that, when in a songs, you need the hook to be catchy. Because once the chorus sketchy, everybody are yo. Me can guarantee you, all you who are listening right now, little more you drive go down the road and the song they just in your psyche, you drive and depend. Chymaica, Chymaica. Uno give me back me gold and green. And before you know it, you love that song there. Yo, but here the part where the man touch too. The man say, you know, see, them build the toll road. You know, see, them do all of the big things in a Jamaica. Uno realize what go on. The man say, big, yo, as a matter of fact, the man big up all of the Chinese them. The man say, oh, if you big up all of Mr. China, Mr. Azana, Mr. this and Mr. that, and no big up Tessan. Big up Tessan Chin, by the way. You see, the man a big up all of the Chinese them. The man say, yeah, hear me? We might as well just show the Chinese them love. You see it? And just tell them, say, yo, you hear me? Make them help with clean up crime in Jamaica. Because them a part of Jamaica now anyway. Yo, listen, we go back and listen to the chorus here, man, because it's sweet.
Chymaica, Chymaica. Uno give me back me gold and green. Chymaica, Chymaica. Them wipe out the jam so clean. Chymaica, Chymaica. Uno give me back me gold and green. Chymaica, Chymaica. OMG, no black on the scene. Chymaica time 19:30 in a me Chymaica shirt and Chymaica jeans. Chymaica shoes, look how me look clean. You know in a Chymaica your arms smell green. Chymaica dance with a Chymaica team. Use the Chymaica phone, light up the scene. Wave it high to the sky like a laser beam. Welcome to Chymaica, where have you been? Chymaica, Chymaica.
Who they give me back my gold and green?
Chymaica, Chymaica. Them wipe out the jam so clean. Chymaica, Chymaica. Gonna give me back my gold and green.
Yo, me say if me follow Zulu, me not do no more review. More there on this all day. I dance to Zulu song if me ever follow him on that song, yeah. Cause it's just so catchy. You see, uno tell the truth. It's so nice though. It sound really nice. The artist named Zulu. Uno need to look out for him more and more and more. Cause uno go hear a whole heap more from Zulu. Uno think of this alone the man have. Uno think a tribute to Ninja Man alone the man have. The man have a whole heap of songs. So remember, uno go see Unstoppable bring Zulu to uno a whole heap more. Because the artist talented. Watch ya. What more you do for me? Comment in the comment section. Talk to me. If you like that song, yeah, comment and tell me what you think about it. Also, more you comment and big up the great Ninja Man. Because as me say, Zulu do the tribute to Ninja Man. And if you agree with Zulu, when him say, yo, free Ninja Man, drop that in the comment section as well. Watch on, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. If this is your first time here and not subscribe yet, why you wait for? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. Until the next video, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.